So far so good, guys. Work in progress. Look at them beads right there. You know, there's one thing that I do want to say to you guys is invest in your tools. These tools been sitting at the shop for who knows how long. They were dusty and all, but it's getting me to get this job done right now. Now, I may not be the best welder, but if I really wanted to, I can just watch YouTube University and watch other content creators and watch their videos and learn how to weld. But I got the basic fundamentals. You need a welder, you need the power to power it. Right now I'm using a generator. It's not the best ideal generator, but it's getting the job done. You'll need a wire brush wheel, a grinder to maybe if you got any high spots, you can grind out the high spots. And you gotta have the willingness to do it. Other people choose to pay to get the job done. Others gotta do it by choice. Me, I gotta do it by choice. For one, I do got the money to buy the replacement, but if I buy the catalytic converter, now I gotta get this piece cut and re-welded. And as you guys can see, I'm not the best welder, so I'm not gonna take that risk. I'd rather take the risk of me trying to fix it on my own, learn the hard way, and do it my way. Because sometimes even when you pay to get something done, it still don't come out right. So I'm taking matters into my own hand, and I'm doing it myself. Rozzy Grows.